monthly sales languishing at around 1,000 units a month, it would have been easy for Nissan to pull the plug on the Titan, and considered it a hard lesson learned. But Nissan was determined to claw itself back to relevance in the full-size market, and the 16 Nissan Titan XD is solid evidence of that. After a plan to share a platform with the Ram 1500 fell through after Chrysler's bankruptcy and reorganization, the company was put back at square one to come up with its own design completely in-house. But when you're starting from ground zero, it helps to have a well-recognized name as a partner. And Nissan has that with Cummins, the builder of the Titan XD's 5.0-liter turbodiesel V8. The new engine features dual overhead cams, 32 valves, a compacted graphite iron, CGI, block, and Cummins' new M2 two-stage turbocharger system. Power ratings for the new engine are 310 horsepower at 3,200 revolutions per minute and 555 pounds-to-foot of torque at 1,600 revolutions per minute. The exclusive transmission is a 9-source heavy-duty 6-speed automatic, the same unit used for the Ram 3500. This powertrain gives the Titan XD a claimed towing capacity of over 12,000 pounds and a payload of 2,000 pounds. Nissan is claiming a 20% fuel economy improvement over an equivalent gas V8 model. We're predicting 16 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway, but final figures are to be announced. Rare for the half-ton segment, the Titan XD has a built-in gooseneck hitch receiver in the bed mounted directly to the frame. For conventional towing, the Titan features a rear-view camera with a trailer guide feature to allow the driver to precisely align the trailer ball with the hitch. The suspension is coils and double wishbone in the front and proven rear leaves with twin-tube shock absorbers. The rear axle is the same American axle manufacturing, AAM, unit as used in the Ram 2500 Power Wagon with 3.5-inch slit tubes and an available locking rear differential. The front differential